If the big banks are currently giving your mortgage application the side eye because of high rates or a bruised credit score, I'm here to introduce you to an old school move that's making a big comeback: the contract for deed. In a traditional mortgage, you borrow money from the bank, you get the deed, and the bank gets what's called a lien. It's a clean, safe transaction, but you need great credit and you're stuck with today's high interest rates. Essentially, the bank is the gatekeeper. A contract for deed or seller financing is totally different. The seller becomes the bank. You, the buyer, make payments directly to them over an agreed upon period, say 5 years. Now, the critical part: the seller holds on to the legal title, the deed, until you make the very last payment. Now, you get to move in and treat it like your home, but the official ownership is on pause. So think of it like a road trip. A traditional mortgage is taking the main highway. It's safe, but maybe congested with high tolls or high rates. A contract for deed is taking a local bypass. It's faster to get started, especially if your car or your credit isn't top of the line. So let's look at Bob in St. Paul. Bob has a decent down payment, but just started his own business, so his credit score is still a little rocky. Instead of a bank's 7.5% rate that he can't qualify for, he finds a seller willing to offer a 6% rate on a 3-year contract for deed. Bob gets to build equity, improve his credit with timely payments, and he plans to refinance with a traditional bank in 3 years, hopefully when rates are lower. Now, a word of caution: bypasses, they have risks. With a contract for deed, if you miss one payment, the seller can cancel the contract and potentially evict you much faster than a bank can foreclose. You could lose the home and all the money you've paid. So always, always, always get a real estate attorney to review the terms. Now, this is a niche tool for a high rate market. It's not for everyone. But if the bank is saying no, this might be the creative way to say yes to home ownership. If you want to know more, reach out.